My oldest, I was like, faster, man. Thanks, guys. Good job. Good job. Way to go, way to go. Hey. Good job. Way to go, way to go. Good job.
Robert, you need to pick up the pace.
Nice work.
Hey! To the right.
But it does, it keeps them going.
We got here.
Come on, Carlos!
There you go. I see you.
Home girl.
Keep going. You gotta tell everybody to keep going.
Come on, all the way. There we go. Way to go, way to go. Good. Good job. Wait a minute. Yeah. Way to go, way to go. Okay. Keep running.
Congratulations. You get a plant. That's pretty cool.
Give it to the guy who
Hey, keep running. Come on, give me 5.
Way to go.
Woohoo! Yeah.
All right. Think of the run.
Oh, it was great.
Great run?
With a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old. It's very interesting.
Yeah, right.
That's beautiful.
Life in general is very interesting.
Beautiful course.
Yeah, good. What y'all think of the course?
It's great.
Was it? A little rocky at times?
It was rocky at times, and even the grassy areas had like where I guess
Grass
animals
lumps,
that go
yeah,
through
natural
there.
grass lumps.
Yeah, you had to watch your footing.
Yeah, I was going to say a little different than the street runs, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
All the way up there. Maybe on the left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep running,
What'd you think of the run?
It's great.
Was it?
First one.
First one?
Yeah.
Well, you must have done pretty good. Time was
I ran
pretty
the
good.
whole way.
Absolutely.
I was happy.
Good. So what'd y'all think of the course?
It was awesome. Beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
You should come walk it, run it, enjoy it.
Program, and we'll come out once or twice a month and send one of my Kenyans out to run with kids. And what it's done is it motivates the children to get in the program,
and even the community, because these are small communities,
and it keeps them in the program. And then we have an event once a year. We have the Fort Worth Marathon, and it's on November. It's the second Sunday in November, where we stage it out on the Trinity River in Fort Worth. We're inside Cat Stadium, the little gray field where the baseball team plays, right below the courthouse.
Any
Nope, no problems at all.
bad problems?
No problems whatsoever.
All right.
Which is what we want.
That's right. What'd you think of the run?
It's great.
Is it?
Yeah.
You gonna do it
It's
again
fun.
next year?
Oh yeah.
All right. So what'd y'all think?
It was great. It was really fun. Beautiful.
What'd you think of the rocky part?
That was a little tough.
That was tough.
Some hills, but I didn't quit me.
All right.
We did good.
It was nice. We did good.
We're wound free.
Woo! That was fun.
Welcome back.
Thanks.
Did it get a little hot there, a little warm towards the end?
Yeah, we had the sun on. It was pretty good. It felt nice. It was a pretty place.
So what'd y'all think of the run?
It was wonderful.
What did y'all think? Did you like it?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Hey, we stood up most of the way. Did you have fun? Huh?
I think a lot of people spit up along the way.
Yeah.
Getting started young, huh?
Oh, yes. I didn't start running when I was young, so I hope they developed it earlier than I did.
Yeah.
At least the love for it.
Come on. Go. Way to go, way to go. Take your little time, okay? There's water over there by the fire truck.
What'd you think?
Oh, I loved it.
You gonna keep it up?
Uh-huh.
All right.
I'm gonna try.
Well, I think some of the other courses might be a little smoother, but what'd you think of this course?
Oh, I love this one. I come out here and walk.
Yeah, cool.
So,
Very good.
I
Thanks.
like it.
You're gonna have. Do you have every year?
I think they're gonna. This is the first year they've done it, but they're gonna do it. I think they're gonna do it every year.
Yeah. Probably. I was gonna try to.
That'd be great. Well, we'd love to sponsor you again, and that'd be super.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's take a picture with Jackson, okay? And this is our daughter. Jenny.
Spencer, I'm looking forward to running with you next time. Okay?
All right.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So don't quit.